Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to add the keyboard text shortcut on this device. Simply go to settings, tap on general. Now scroll down, tap on the option a keyboard. So here you can see the option key text replacement. Tap on this one. So here you can see I already added three shortcuts. So if you simply type a GM, then it will show a suggestion like good morning. If you type a GN, then it will show good night and sweet dreams. Let me show you a symbol. If you write just a GM instead of good morning, just write GM, it will show good morning. If you write a GN, you can see instead of just GN, it will show good night and sweet dreams. Okay, so simply in this way we can use this one. So let me show you how to create a new text shortcut. Tap on the option plus icon on the top right side. So here we want to write the phrase. Okay, so simply I am going to write happy birthday. Happy birthday. And the shortcut is HB. Tap on save. You can see this here. If you open the keyboard and just write instead of happy birthday, just write HB. You can see it will show a suggestion happy birthday. Simply tap on this one, you can see. Okay, so simply in this way we can add the text shortcut on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.